Muthenya wa Jumaa, President Uhuru Kenyatta anyitite ugeni atongoria a gitaru kia Luo Nyanza thingiraini wa Iregi Nairobi. Atongoria ya hamwe nao mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga macemanitie na President na Minister Mutahi Kagwe, Fred Matiang'i, Joe Mucheru, James Macharia na Cecily Kariuki kurunga cia uthii wa na mbere gitaru-ini kiu kia Nyanza na uria thirikari irakinyaniria tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere gitaru-ini kiu. President akiuga wira wake ni kunyitithania bururi na areka guo kuhetukira tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere.
Kenya is about all of us, as my brother here has said. Kenya cannot succeed without all of us. It needs all of us.
I say that the way to revive this economy in this country is, number one, infrastructure. Number two, infrastructure. Number three, infrastructure. I'm happy to see, Your Excellency, that your government has picked up from what we said and has actually addressed this issue of infrastructure very aggressively.
President agitetera ngeithi ciake na Odinga akiuga ti cia andu eri ta uria amwe makoretwo makiuga na kuririkania a Kenya uria uteti utari kihariro unyamaritie bururi.
There is no developed country anywhere in the world that has ever achieved the social, political, economic aspirations of her people with a start-stop policy. It is about bringing a country back on track. It is about bringing the people of a nation to feel once again that they are part and parcel of the whole. A feeling that existed in this country once upon a time when some of us were children, but we hear those stories. Where Kenyans were proud to be Kenyans.
Atongoria ya Nyanza ni matugiritie tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere iria thirikari yanjiriirie na irakinyaniria gitaru-ini kiu.
A lot has happened since we last met. There are projects that we had in mind, like Muhoroni Mamboleo Road, like the lake infrastructure, like the special manufacturing zone, like the health facilities, like the road infrastructure. A lot has actually happened. If you look at roads like Isbania, Kisii Ahero Road, that actually has been done, part of it. There is the interchange at Ahero that is to take place. If you look at the port itself, a lot has taken place in the port. The structures in the port are in place. The standard gauge railway has reached Kisumu. The terminus is almost ready, and the marine school is being rehabilitated.
Thigũkũ ya Madaraka ya tariki 1 mweri wa gatandatu mwaka uyu irakũngũĩrwo kaunti-inĩ ya Kisumu, mambura maria thirikari yugĩte magatabanio kũrũmĩrĩra mawatho mothe ma COVID-19.
It is unfortunate that we cannot have the kind of celebration that we could have had in Kisumu on Tuesday. We cannot all come together as we would have wanted to be in Kisumu, but we are together in spirit.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.